Alright, is the moon actually ditching us? Before you pack your bags for Mars because you think Earth's only natural satellite is about to become an ex-moon, let's take a deep dive into some science with a healthy dose of "whoa, is that real?" along the way. Here's the deal, the moon is slowly moving away from Earth, but hold on, don't picture it blasting off in a rocket fire fueled by lunar cheese. We're talking about a movement so slow, it makes watching paint dry look like a fast-paced action flick. Let's say you decide to paint your shoes a new color every single day. You carefully add a coat in the morning, another at night, building up layer upon layer. That, my friend, is basically the speed at which the moon is distancing itself from us, about 1/10 of a millimeter each day. Over a year, that translates to a whopping 3.8 centimeters, roughly the length of an AirPod. Imagine you and your bro are having an epic tug-of-war battle. You're both pulling hard, but your bro is just a little stronger than you. So instead of you getting dragged towards him, he slowly starts inching backwards, right? That's kind of what's happening with the moon and Earth's gravity. You see, the moon's gravity pulls on Earth, causing our planet to bulge a bit on the side facing the moon. It's like Earth is getting a little potbelly from all that lunar pulling. But the Earth isn't just sitting there taking it. Because Earth is spinning on its axis, that bulge isn't perfectly lined up with the moon. It's a little off-center, creating an uneven tug-of-war situation. This asymmetrical pull is like your bro giving the rope an angled yank. It speeds up the moon's orbit slightly, and the faster something orbits, the farther it gets from the gravitational pull of the central object. That's exactly why the moon is slowly inching away from us, at a snail's pace though. So where does this all lead? If Earth and the moon make it through the sun's fiery end in 5 billion years, fingers crossed, things will get really weird for them. Over a ridiculously long time, think 45 billion years, the moon will continue to inch away and Earth's rotation will continue to slow down. Eventually, the moon's rotation period will match its orbital period and become tidally locked with Earth. In this state, the same side of the moon will always face Earth, while the far side remains permanently hidden from view. Imagine this. For half of Earth, the moon will always be visible, forever stuck in one spot in the sky like a giant glowing clock hand. The other half of the planet will never see the moon again. Talk about geographical FOMO. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Should we be worried about the moon abandoning us anytime soon?
Absolutely not.
The rate of the moon's escape is so slow, it would take billions of years before it has any noticeable effect on Earth. In fact, the bigger threat might be the sun turning into a red giant and swallowing both Earth and the moon whole in a few billion years. But hey, that's a story for another day. So for now, you can sleep peacefully knowing that the moon isn't about to pack its bags and leave us high and dry, although with the way things are going on Earth, maybe it should consider it. Anyways, subscribe.